Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go over a really cool upgrade from CarTrimHome that takes your door switches and makes all of your windows automatic, up and down. Let's get this installed and see what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and open this up and see what you get in the box. So you got the one for the driver, one for the passenger, and the two back switches. It also comes with a little trim tool, super useful. Here are the front switches. They appear to be very good quality. They look a lot like the factory switches. We'll compare them in a bit. These two look identical. And then here's the passenger door. First step is going to be removing all the switch panels from the doors. So we'll use the included trim tool and just get it up in there and kind of pry up on the back. And then same thing on the front until it releases. Now to unplug the plugs, you're going to use that same trim tool, put it in this little slot here, and open that up. That'll slide out. Then you can flip it over, insert it right in here, and that releases this unit. This kit actually replaces the switches on all of your doors. So this is one of the back doors. Take it off the same way as the front. And here you can use that tool to insert in this slot. Same thing on this back door. And on the front passenger side, plugs are a little different, but it's the same thing. You depress and pull, depress and pull. Okay, so here they are with all of the new switches. We'll go ahead and show you how to install them. This one's going to have some screws. These ones, they all kind of pop out, and the new ones pop in place. Go ahead and grab a Phillips head. We're going to remove these 3 screws holding this in place. With those screws out, the unit just slides out. Here you can see the difference. You know, the quality appears pretty much the same. The factory one is a little heavier. But let's go ahead and slide this in where the other one came out, and we'll put the screws back. All right, the back doors are a little tricky because you don't want to break this plastic. The easiest way I found is to just kind of shove this tool in here and give it a little twist while also pushing the button. And it should work itself out. And then you can just slide the new one right into place. And on the front passenger side, same method. Just shove the tool in here and give it a little twist. Try not to break anything, and give the button a push until it pops out. Then take your new one and just lock it in place. And there you have it. With just 2 simple tools, we got them all replaced. Now we'll go plug them back in and see what they look like. I'll just show you the reinstallation on this first one. They all go back in the same way they came out. Plug should fit. And then you just line up the little clips and give it a push down until they lock into place. This is what it looks like installed. Looks like it was there from the factory. Got the truck on, so let's go ahead and test them out. We'll do the front window. Works as expected. You can do incremental. Very cool. Now let's try this back window. This never had automatic before. Nice. And then you can still do it as much as you want. Very cool. Now not only are all of the windows automatic now, but everyone in the car can enjoy automatic windows. Very cool. In case you were wondering, these switches are backlit, as you can see, and they have a nice blue glow that matches the factory lights. There you go. Hopefully you guys found that installation video helpful. If you'd like to pick up your own set of switches, I will put a link and a discount code in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.